Hi all, this video explains the creation of deal bundle with the through back office wizard, and it also covers the editing part for the deals created through back office. So first we'll cover the creation process. To create a deal, navigate to vacations. Within vacations, click on deal bundle, and this is the data that we have imported through deal bundle. So these are the 10 deals by default we have imported through the CSV file. We'll create a new deal now. This is the bundle ID. This has to be the unique ID, the bundle. The bundle name. This is the deposit we want to associate with this deal bundle. Say 30% is the minimum deposit which the user has to pay on the payment page while taking this deal. This is the date ranges. This is not a mandatory field. We can leave it set deal type. We need to mention whether it's a beach escape, adult only, city break. It's a starting date pattern. This is the unique value and it has to be entered in the way it's shown here. So I use this pattern shows that the deal is available from Sunday to Saturday, means from across all the 7 days. In case we wish to choose it for 5 days, we can change it. We can change the cron expression from Sunday to Friday. Duration, the number of days for which this deal is applicable. Guest count, this is the one the deal will be associated. So for example, adult 2 means it can have minimum of 2, maximum of 2 adults. It can either have 1 adult as well, and 2 child means it can be in a combination of 1 child 1 adult or 2 child 2 adult. This is a flag which we need to set to true or false if we need to sell the deal individually. So I'm setting it to false. From price is the price of the deal, so I'm just in the catalog version. It has to be the stage product. So this will be CF product catalog. Just choose page. SAURL, it's not the mandatory, system generated by default. In case if we wish to have one, we can just mention. Bundle template status has to be approved. Next. Travel route, we can associate the travel route. Transport offering is not a mandatory field, so we can leave it aside. Here we can have standard with reservation, the bundle type. Ancillary products, if we wish to, we can have the few of the products like wheelchair with pusher, any cab. Vehicle type, this is a mandatory field. We can have the vehicle type as underhype. Now this is the accommodation details. So here we can enter the hotel details like so often this you can see these are all the offering codes for which we are creating the one. So rate plans, we need to associate the correct rate plan. So to do that, we can just click in here and drag the options to see what are the ones available. So the one with the CE1 needs to be checked by us, needs to be picked by us. So here it's like I can select Victoria and I will change the hotel room. I will take Victoria. And so the room for which I have taken the plan. Extra products is non-mandatory. I'm using it as an English breakfast. Activity product you can associate or not. This will have the activity codes which we have imported to the CSV. Once done, just click on done. It will show processing, and as a result, once the records are processed and created in back office, you will see a new deal created and it will show the green icon at top. So this green icon shows that a successful deal has been created. Just click on refresh, and now instead of 10 we'll have 11 items here, and the one we created will come at the top. So this is the one that we have created, and the SEO URL, the system itself, like I said, has generated by default itself. We can edit this deal. Say we can change the bundle details. I'm editing the description as well. Now once we are done with it, we can click on transport related details if we wish to add it. Like we can change the vehicle from under height to extra wide, and once we are done with the changes, just click on save. It will reprocess, and as a result the system will update these details in the database, and likewise the green icon at the top shows that the deal has been successfully added. Now just click on refresh before you further want to edit the details, but as a result the bundle name and the description has been added, that has been edited, and the transport related details which we changed to extra wide is also being edited. Likewise the other fields can be edited as well, like the price, duration, etc.